smiling.
How you doing? That one looked like it startled you. Whoa. Do it again. Whoa. You almost punched me. Whoa. Oh boy. Oh boy.
I like how she covers her mouth when she goes to hiccup.
She's very polite. Almost looks like a smile when she hiccups. Whoa.
So that means she ate, right?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm running out of juice on
Okay.
my camera.